my name is Kasim and I have been working as an analyst in the advertising industry since 2018. So I believe I'm somewhat qualified to tell you how you can become a data analyst or analytics pro. Through this video, my goal is to walk you through a clear step-by-step plan to help you become a data analytics expert in just 7 months. So let's dive in. For your first month, let's get started with something basic: Excel. Many roadmaps might suggest starting with mathematics or statistics, but I don't recommend that approach. Instead, kick off with something more approachable that introduces you to the most widely used tool in analytics. Trust me, Excel will be the most used tool in your day-to-day job. So focus on learning the fundamentals such as formulas, pivot tables, the layout of Excel, and charts. Dedicate around 2 weeks to getting familiar with sorting and filtering data. And then for the following 2 weeks, progress to advanced Excel. Work on mastering XLOOKUPs, SUMIFs, and other complex functions to efficiently manage larger datasets. In month 2, dive into coding with basic Python. Spend 3 weeks learning syntax, loops, and basic data structures. Practice by solving simple problems on platforms like LeetCode, or even create your own problems and solve them with the help of AI. Yes, you can do that, these days. And then in the 4th week, step up to intermediate Python. Focus on libraries like Pandas and NumPy for data manipulation. As you work on Excel and Python, begin statistics in month 3. Spend 4 weeks exploring inferential statistics, descriptive statistics, probability, and regression analysis. These concepts are essential for you understanding the data trends. Keep in mind though, you're not aiming to master statistics here. It's helpful but not required. Your goal is to gain a solid working knowledge of statistics, enough to be proficient. A lot of what you will need will begin through the hands-on experience on the job anyway. Month 4 is all about SQL. Although some people can say SQL, that's basically the same thing. Begin with basic SQL for 2 weeks. Learning the big 6 in SQL will make a huge difference. So focus on the big 6 in the first 2 weeks. Then spend 2 weeks on intermediate SQL. Focus on subqueries and aggregations. You can download datasets from platforms like Kaggle and practice for free and improve your SQL by passing like unlimited queries that comes to your mind. In month 5, tackle advanced SQL for 2 weeks in a row. Learn window functions and optimization techniques to handle big data sets. Also in month 5, start basic PySpark. It's great for big data processing. Learn how to set up data frames and simple run transformations in PySpark, like how you can start the session and like how you can pass, like basic SQL, but in Python. Then in the 4th week, move to intermediate PySpark. Practice joins and aggregations to process large data sets faster. During month 6, I recommend learning something industry-specific course that aligns with your interests. For example, if you're drawn to advertising, consider exploring free courses available from the Trade Desk or Google to gain insights into the field. Understanding the industry you want to enter is very crucial. It's literally the bare minimum. It's the minimum expectations nowadays to break into the field successfully. Then in month 7, focus on visualizations or portfolio. Pick either Tableau or Power BI. Both are the same thing. Like different companies, but basically do the same job. Learn to create dashboards or interactive charts to present your data clearly. Use sample datasets to build visuals like bar charts, graphs, gauges, or heat maps to showcase your skills. Create 2 to 3 projects combining Excel, Python, SQL, PySpark, and industry knowledge that you gained in the last 6 months. For example, analyze a sales dataset, visualize trends, and document your process. You can host your projects on GitHub or on your own domain to showcase your skills to employers. And that's it. You're a data analyst pro. I would like to add a quick disclaimer. This journey isn't something you can achieve by just spending like 30 minutes, 40 minutes a day and expecting results in 7 months. To truly understand the concepts and build the necessary data analysis skills, you will need to commit to 20 to 25 hours a week. I am not kidding. Yeah, you have to. And then you'll be able to see the results. That's all for now. See you later. Bye-bye.